How to redeem MetaQuest gift cards. To redeem MetaQuest gift cards, you can follow these steps. In the Play Store or App Store, MetaQuest app or Oculus app is available. So on your mobile device, launch the MetaQuest app or Oculus app. Tap on the menu icon. It will look like a three horizontal lines in the top left corner. In the menu, scroll down and choose Settings, then go to your Payment section. Under your Payment section, you will see the option to redeem a code. Select the option Redeem Code and enter the code from your MetaQuest gift card. After you have entered the code, confirm the redemption to add the balance to your MetaQuest account. Once successfully redeemed, the amount will be available for use on the MetaQuest store to purchase games, apps, or other content. That's all for today. Thank you.